Welcome back friends, this is Neil, your Edu Guru. Let's start with the basics of mathematics part 2. All the concepts of basics would be cleared in this video, and also don't forget to practice the techniques which I explained you in the last video. Before going ahead, if you haven't seen the part first of basics of mathematics, there is a link given in the description. Also, if you are new to my channel Nilesh Academy, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icons for amazing videos about maths concepts. If you like my video, please press on thumbs up and also share my video to all your friends. In this video, you will learn why it is important to learn addition and subtraction. Also, you would learn simple method of multiplication and how to remember it by tongue tip. This video is going to be really amazing, so watch this video until the end. Friends, most of us know how to learn the tables, and most of them know the table from 1 to 10. But how quick can you give the answers if I am giving you logic tables? If you can give the answer in 5 seconds, then you are okay and good. But if not, then this technique is for you. Let's start the logic tables. I'll give you examples. 5 times up, it's 50. You can give it very nicely. But 4 sevens up, it's 28. 6 eights up, 48. 9 nines up, 81. How can we be fast? By practice. We have 100 logic tables sheet which you have to practice in. Now this is what we would be practicing daily 3 or 4 times. Let us check my speed. Here this is 120 dodging tables sheet and I have a timer too. Let us check my time. Now I'll start the sheet. I'm starting the timer. I have written my name. I will start the sheet. So this is how we have to complete the whole. It is not compulsory to solve the dodging table sheet in 4 minutes or 5 minutes, but it is necessary to solve 100 dodging table sheets in minimum time, as if you solve it in minimum time, the maximum your speed increases and you become fast. The practice sheet link and the other sheets are given on our website, that is www.enilesacademy.com, and also you can download our application Nilesh Academy from Google Store. Friends, multiplication and division would be very simple and you can do it at lightning speed if you would follow the technique of 100 dodging tables in 5 minutes, and also it would be helping you in your division. And similarly, simple addition and subtraction also helps you to solve the questions of addition and subtraction very quickly. So this is the end of session 2 of basics of mathematics. For mathematical tips and amazing concepts, please subscribe my channel Nilesh Academy. Also like and share the videos to your friends. Thanks for today.